This video will show you how to download and install some useful extensions from the Chrome store. So from this page in Schoology, you will click on the link to the LSR7 web store to add the following two extensions. So once you get there, the first one you're going to search for is Nod, N-O-D. It's this first one right here. On your screen, if you don't already have Nod, it'll say Add to Chrome. It'll look like this. I have Nod, so that's why I don't have that option. So you're going to click Add to Chrome. This will allow you to virtually raise your hand during our class Google Meets, which will be useful for me to know when you have a question or you need some help. The second one that you're going to need to download is called Read and Write. Read and Write is this purple one with the white puzzle piece. And again, same as before, you'll go over here and add to Chrome. I already have it, so I don't have that option. Read and Write is really neat because anytime that there's a lot of text on the page, so whether it's a reading assignment or if I've just typed a lot of instructions that day, a little audio player will pop up in the corner with a play button, the triangle, and you can hit play and it will read all of the text to you so that you can listen to it and make sure you're understanding everything that I need you to do. So put those two extensions on your Chrome and that will be very helpful to us.